Have you ever thought about what to do with all of your kids' old school photos and arts and crafts that they make you? As a mom of four, I do throw a lot away because I get overwhelmed by clutter, but there are special pieces, especially the ones with their photos on them, that I do want to keep. Let me show you how you can organize all your kids' memories in these keepsake boxes. Here is the current situation. Right now, all their pictures and old school stuff is just scattered everywhere in the basement, in bins, in old filing folders, all messy from when we moved, and then my current filing system upstairs. We're about to head to the store right now so that way we can get everything that we need for this project. Let me just say that this project is way overdue. This is something that I planned on doing when my oldest, Aaliyah, was like 5 years old in preschool. Now she is 14 and about to head to high school next year. We're actually about to pick her classes for high school next week. So way overdue. The reason why I never got around to this project is because I could never find bins that I liked, or they were just way too expensive. Like I remember them being too expensive at Staples. And then when I looked on Amazon, they were just like ridiculously priced because they weren't like a prime item. Any type of big containers that you would try to buy on Amazon back in the day, they were really expensive. But I recently checked, Amazon does have them, but they don't seem like they're waterproof. So that's why I'm going to Walmart, because the ones at Walmart, it looks like they have a seal around them. I'm gonna check that out. I might end up having to go to 2 different Walmarts because the Walmart that I'm headed to, they have the bins, but they might not have the folders. And yeah, and vice versa. Because I have to buy 4 bins and 4 sets of folders, this is gonna get a little bit pricey. So that's why I'm going and getting everything at Walmart. Walmart is the cheapest from what I have found. I mean, unless you want specific colors, then I would get them on Amazon, but Amazon did not have cheaper folders. So yeah, let's go. I'm so happy because the app said that this Walmart did not have the folders, and look, they have them. Plus they have these. I kind of like these colors better. I don't know. I don't really like the primary color so much. What do you think? I think I'm gonna get these. These bins are moisture, dirt, and pest resistant. You can see that they have a seal around the lid and it clips tightly on the outside to prevent anything from getting in. If you are interested in these specific bins, I will leave links in the description box. After attaching 100 of these tabs, let's break out the label maker. I really like the look of this old school label maker. It just reminds me of school itself. As far as labeling each folder, it's really up to you how you want to label them. I did one for each grade, plus a baby folder for like ultrasounds, and then a toddler one since one of my kids went to daycare. Now let's customize each bin with their names using the Cricut machine. This was my first time using it because I just got it for Christmas, so they're not perfect, but it will work. This was a fun part, putting everything in their folders and seeing how much the kids have grown and all the cute things that they have made throughout the years. Nico is only 1, but his box will be ready to go for when he starts school. Now all the kids' photos, art, yearbooks, and report cards, everything that I say throughout the years is all organized. If you decide to do this for your little ones, please tag me on Instagram at Christina Skiblo, and everything that I mentioned in this video will be in the description box.